Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about feed trucks, feed wagons, anything in your feeding system. So of course everybody's in the throes of harvest, putting up green feed, combining, but just something to start thinking about because winter is around the corner at some point. Maybe start having a look at your feed trucks, especially the screws. Have a look at your knives and see what your knives look like. Good time to order knives and have them there so that when you're getting your machines ready at the end of September, beginning of October to feed cows, that you've got those parts available. We do have knives available for most of the competitive models of mixers now, so ask the guys in the parts department about that. Also, check your conveyor chain for tightness, check your motors for leaking and your gearboxes. Just basically give it a good general check, but just a good time to do it now when it's still warm and there's some warm days to have a look at it versus trying to fiddle around with it when it's snowing and -10. So have a look, give the parts guys a call, they can help you out. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.